against Paulo Cruzada, ha. I say to Paulo Cruzada, he has to be show a good needs. He has to show a good deeds. Look at Tanggol. When I watch Batang Quiapo, Tanggol, he learns how to be showing us good deeds. That he will never get into a fight. He will never get into troublemaker. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, it's good thing you need to apologize to Teacher May. Because, Teacher May is always staring at us. Oh. And then you say about, you want to threaten to hostage at her. You say, you hostage ko si Teacher May or whatsoever. It's not really good. Like me, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, me, I never want to attack Teacher May. I never criticize Teacher May. It's 2026. Because I know I've been ceasefire with Teacher May when I make an enemy. And I said before, thanks to Kuya Ver, I reconcile with Teacher May Tiburcio. It's simple. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, just have mercy to the person. Like you, when I was told by Sir William Ducut, when he said to me, we need to reconcile and show the good deeds. If we want to reconcile, we have to show good deeds. Like me, I never want to make enemies in social media. I'm not making enemies. Like for example, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, who make enemies with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I told to Clarence Beredo, and I talked to him in Messenger. I told him, sabihin mo kay Dan Mardayaw, magpakabait na siya. That's why. And he told Danmar, wag mo awayin si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. That's always to be showing good deeds. We do not want to make, for example, fights over with Kuya Rodelio Daguman, fights over in social media. We have to show how the good deed is. Like Christian Mingito says, even Kuya Ver says, we have to show good. Even for Cedric Mariano, he should not fight with Kuya Rodelio Daguman, not to stop making fake account on Facebook. Because it's not really good. Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not related to politics. If he's a pro Duterte, if he's an anti Marcos, just let him be. It's simple. Let him be. It's simple. Just let him be. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, when I say again, just leave Teacher May Tiburcio alone. Do not harass her. Do not threaten to hostage at her. Just leave her alone. It's simple. Like me, I said before, when I make enemies with Jetro Lopez last 2018, because I know I attacked Antonio Sudorio in Messenger before TikTok was exist. TikTok was never exist in 2018. I know this is my consequence. This is my fault that I attack Antonio Sudorio, that I bully him, that I harass him. Even especially Manuel Luis Antonio, I still mention his name. Even Larry Chuanico always really hates me all the time when he makes enemies at me, putting me a dirty finger. Me and Jetro Lopez, we just leave each other alone. we end up fighting against each other. That's simple. Oh, in 2018, when I talked to Kathleen Canete, I end up fighting against Manuel Luis Antonio, because Antonio Sodorio says, you and what's that, Manuel Luis Antonio, lied against each other, fighting against each other. Oh, I know, it's just like compared to Francis Leo Marcos or Norman Mangusin, and also Makagago or MG Mark Jason Culuela. Oh, I know I don't want too much fights in social media, because this is the only best thing. It's to leave each other alone, leave them alone, or leave all of us alone. It's simple. Oh, it's just like I said. And here's the one thing for Paulo Cruzada. Oh, when you make a troublemaker, you should leave Teacher May alone. Unlike me, when me and Rafa Soco, when we fight against each other, when we are enemies each other, what did I do? Oh, I leave Rafa Soco alone. I leave him alone. I never want to talk to him. Oh, I never want to chat with him. I never want to talk to him. Never. The only best I could say, I leave him alone. I let him be. Oh, it's simple. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, you know, when Shania Kiana had said to me, your mother claims you're a special child, just leave Teacher May alone. Oh, just leave her alone. It's simple. Oh, it's simple. Like I said, me, when I called in the telephone in Integrated Center Pyang, I've been 3 years in hiatus on Facebook. I apologize to the teachers of Rafa Soco that I bully him, that I attack him. I apologize to the teachers of Rafa Soco in Integrated Center Pyang. I show sincerely to apologize that I will never do that again. And Teacher Desi said to me, I will be good. Oh, that's why I show to be a good deeds. And thanks to Teacher Desi, I learn how to be good. At the time, when I learn how to be good, I show good people. I show kindness. Oh, like for me, I show kindness. Not even just like Kuya Kopio, who talks about politics, and he says about Bongbong Marcos. Oh, I never talk Kuya Kopio. Oh, because I know Kuya Kopio is a Marcos loyalist. It's just his own opinion, and I let him be. When I say to him, oh, Duterte, oh, Kuya Kopio say about Bongbong Marcos, I ignore him. Oh, it's simple. Oh, I don't want too much fights. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, when you harass uh, um, Wawel Romero, Jordan Pilapil, including Teacher May, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Lendel, including Teacher Marisa, and including not only Teacher Marisa, Teacher Chris, Teacher Mirna, Teacher Lendel, Teacher Jessa, who else? Oh, Teacher Joy, oh, Teacher Kel, Teacher Gio Melana. They didn't really who know who you are. They don't know who you are. You don't both of them, they don't really know you. Oh, And even Minasucho and Rita Ziri, they didn't really who you are. They don't know who you are, and they do not know your name, and they don't know about you. They don't know about you. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, that's only the best thing I could say. You have to be good. Because I know I criticize against your behavior for attacking Joseph Maspinas, for attacking Jerick Silva. Like I say again, Paulo Cruzada, inaaway mo pala si Joseph Maspinas. Oh, inaaway mo pala si Teacher Evelyn at si Teacher May. It's not really good. Oh, that's why Josh Gozo had said to you, when Josh Gozo warns you, if you attacking us, he will threaten you to shoot you a shotgun. That means in Tagalog words, meron ako ng shotgun, babarilin kita, Paulo Cruzada, at sabog ang mukha mo, he said that. You have to show a good deeds, Paulo Cruzada. However, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Your parents are preparing to you. You don't want to be a homeless person, Paulo Cruzada. Just like I said, you know what I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill? When you promote terrorism, you say about ako ang ISIS ng bayan sa bukid kong Metro Manila, Davao. It's not really good. Even the other countries like in Nagoya, Osaka, Japan, even Tokyo, you say about the bomb joke. If the Japanese Yakuza heard you, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, do not blame me. Because the Japanese Yakuza can really easily to stab you. For example, when you say about bomb joke at Iran, even Tehran, Shiraz, and even what else, Isfahan, the Iranian authorities, under by Ali Khamenei, and even Mojtaba Khamenei, that was his son, they will put you a death penalty, hanging, Paulo Cruzada. There's a death penalty in Iran when you make bomb threats or bomb jokes promoting terrorism. You pretend you're an Israeli Mossad. They will hang you up, Paulo Cruzada. When you make a bomb joke at Russia, you will be executed by a Russian Wagner, by Vladimir Putin. When you make a bomb joke at China, even Hong Kong, even Macau. Because I know Macau and Hong Kong are part of the mainland of China. The Chinese triad, they will beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. They will execute you as a lethal injection when you make a bomb threats or bomb jokes. Because in China, or Hong Kong and Macau, they prohibited terrorism. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, when you make a rape joke at Teacher May, there is no bail. There is reclusion perpetua. Not even just that, Paulo Cruzada, when you make, for example, even a bomb joke in Cuba, Havana, under by Fidel Castro, there is hanging. Because there is a death penalty in Cuba. If you promote terrorism, if you promote bomb joke, there is hanging in Cuba. But here in Philippines, Paulo Cruzada, rape joke, there is reclusion perpetua. Because rape, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, when you search in Wikipedia, it's a reclusion perpetua. Just like Philippines and Argentina, reclusion perpetua. That's what I said to you, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher May. Because you know, there is a part of the law in the Philippines. You don't know about Anti-Safe Space Act or Bawal na Bastos Law. Oh, we talk about with J. Rick Silva in TikTok Live. You don't know what is Anti-Safe Space Act. Oh, you need to learn your lesson. Because your parents had reprimanded you because you are wrong. Oh, you want to be really what happened to me when I attacked David Gill and his family, when I promote terrorism, when I make fake account of Larry Chuanico. And I know this is my fault, what I did to them. I know I learned how to apologize sincerely. Oh, for what I did to Teacher Vincent last 2021, I made fake account. I apologize to Teacher Vincent sincerely, even Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, there's the only I could say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Just do not harass Teacher May. Don't make a rape joke at Teacher May or even Lorraine Shook or Teacher May Tiburcio. Because both of them, they didn't do anything to you. Like I said before, hindi sila inaano. Puro ka lang kawalang yan. I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, you know, for me, you need to end this fight. You need to learn your lesson. You need to change yourself. Just like David Gill says to me, oh, ayusin mo sa sarili mo. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. That's only I could say. If you love your parents, then you need to quit on your social media, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you can make your own TikTok, or you can make TikTok dance, or you can start your own blog, or you can promote blogs in YouTube, just like me. And you can promote it in Facebook. It's not really good to harass Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada. When you message Teacher May in Messenger, Paulo Cruzada, here's the one condition. Make a public apology. Sincerely. If you say to Teacher May, I am Paulo Cruzada, I am here to make a public apology for what I just did, for what I made lots of mistake, for attacking Teacher May. I am here to apologize. It's simple. For me, Paulo Cruzada, I don't want too much fights. You need to learn your lesson. Because why I started fighting against you, Paulo Cruzada. You are defending, you are making an attitude of bomb joke. You're making a bomb threat. You're making a rape joke. You're making harassment at Teacher May, even Teacher Evelyn, that they didn't do anything to you. Even you harass Teacher Kel, Teacher Gio Malana, they didn't really know who you are. Even Teacher Isa Bancula, you harassed her. That was ex-girlfriend of Teacher Vincent. That she doesn't know you. And even you harass Mina Suchoy and Drita Ziri, they didn't really know who you are. They didn't know you. Even Teacher Kel, even her husband, Ezekiel Penumbra, they didn't know who you are. Or even Teacher Marbil, that she is married to John Archie Matthew Bernal. You don't have a shame to the person that she said, she doesn't do anything to you. It's not really good, Paulo Cruzada. You should be ashamed to yourself. You should be ashamed to your family. your family had said to you, you should be ashamed. Nakakahiya na to, Paulo Cruzada. You need to sign off about your Facebook. Then if you use your messenger, make a public apology to everyone. That's all.